Hey everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to change Gmail privacy settings in the USA. If you want to control who sees your info, manage data sharing, and protect your account, this full guide for 2026 will walk you through all the steps. First, open your browser and go to myaccount.google.com. This is where all Gmail and Google account settings are managed. Now click on Privacy and Personalization. Here you can see all the options related to your data, activity, and ad settings. Click Activity Controls to see things like web and app activity, location history, and YouTube history. You can turn these on or off depending on how much data you want Google to keep. Next, go to Ad Settings. You can choose whether Google can use your activity to show personalized ads. Turning this off increases your privacy online. Check Gmail security settings too. Enable two-step verification, review connected devices, and remove unfamiliar access to protect your account. Scroll down to third-party apps with account access. Remove any apps or services you no longer trust. This prevents external apps from seeing your Gmail data. In Gmail itself, go to Settings, see All Settings, General. You can disable read receipts, automatic forwarding, and smart features to control email privacy. For US users, it's recommended to review these settings regularly. Check activity controls, ad personalization, and connected devices every few months to stay secure. And that's how to change Gmail privacy settings in the USA in 2026. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.